Hello everyone, myself Sabri and I welcome you to our channel Solution Bridge Network and one-stop solution for all your Power Platform tutorials.
Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to deep dive one of the concept in parameters of paginated report. In this video, we will understand how we can set more than two values as a default in the parameter selection, or how you can make sure to select all the values in the parameter by default. To explain this use case, I have a simple data set with two columns, which is product and total profit, and I have one parameter selected, which is my country. To demonstrate, I would like to add a simple graph. Let me go to insert, chart, and let me create a chart. So open the chart wizard, select the data set, and I would like to select the pie chart where I will drag the product in categories and total profit in values. Let me click on next and finish. So you will have the graph displayed. Just to visually show, let me right click the graph and add the data labels. Now, as you know, if I run, since I have one parameter, the system will automatically prompt me to select the specific parameter before I run the report. Select Canada and click on view the report. The use case, what we would like to solve here is we need to make sure we select two or more values as default, or we need to go and select all as default. Now let's understand how we can go and select all as default first. Go back to the design view. For that, you need to understand the concept how the parameters work. Whenever a new parameter is added, you will have a hidden dataset created here. So that is financials country, which is same as your parameter name. And if you notice, you have four different columns available in this financial country. Do a right click, go to the dataset properties, and in the dataset properties, you can go to the query designer, and this will help you to visualize what data does that dataset contain. Once this query view is loaded, you can just click on this red exclamatory, which is execute, which will run the query and show you the result. Now, if you see, this is the table that the parameter have created it for you. Now, I would like to make a change in such a way that it displays only the country column and it removes the null value. To do that, let me keep the evaluate as is. Let me remove the rest other statements till end where I have only the financial country left as is. And let me remove the parameter as well because I do not need that. Now I would like to use a function called values, which is which has the same behavior as it does in Power BI. Let me close it. And now if you do an execute, you will be able to see only the country column with only the unique values where the null is also removed. Let me click on OK. And once this is done, you will be taken back to the dataset properties where you will see the updated query. And once after this loading stops, you need to make a small tweak in the field section. So let's wait for this dataset to get loaded and we will make the change in the fields. Now, since the dataset is loaded, you can go to fields and make sure you delete that one extra column, which is parameter caption indented. Once done, you can click on close and apply. Now go to the parameter, do a right click, go to the parameter properties. Here, first you need to make sure you set the available values. Available values of the parameter are from financial country and the value is country. If you go to the default value, this is how we will attain either select all or a specific select. Now I will show you how to do a select all. Go to get values from a query. In the drop down, select your parameter table and then select the country. By which if you click OK and run, now this report will make sure to select all the parameter by default and hence it is not prompting you to select any option in the parameter. We need to make sure there is no null values to have this select all getting worked. Now the next one is selecting specific parameters. Do a right click again on the parameter properties, go to the default values, switch from get values from a query to specific values, add, and in the FX button here we would pass a tabular value so that the system will understand what are the values that it needs to set by default. So to convert a string to a table, we know a split function might help. So let's say equal to split of open bracket. This is a string I would like to pass and my delimiter is comma to split. Let me close the bracket. And here I would like to call two countries, which is Canada my delimiter is comma, and then France. Once this is done, you can click on OK and OK again, and now run the report. Now, even the system will not prompt you to select the parameter, but it will automatically select the two parameter, whatever you have given in the split function. As an edge case, right, if you go to the edit, I will just take you back to the parameter properties. And in the default values, let's say if I want to select USA as an option, add a comma, add it as USA, and let me click on OK. Now, if you run the report, you will see a big difference where the parameter values will not be selected and it is prompting you to select. The reason being, USA is not one of the available parameter values. So we need to make sure the value, whatever we pass on the default value section, should be available as one of the values in the available values. So by this, we come to end of this video. In this video, we understood how to create a parameter and make it as select all or select two or more values from the available values. If you have any question, please post it in the comment section and we will be happy to help.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, hit the like button, and press the bell icon for our new video alerts.